Welcome back to another Instant Pot recipe video. I'm doing cube steak. I'm doing only 2 cube steaks at a time because that's just what we're going to have for dinner. Use 2 cups of water and 1 pack of one of these Lipton onion soup mix packets. And it don't have to be Lipton. I usually get the Great Value, which is the Walmart brand, which will be perfectly fine. Okay, we're going to start out with manual, and we're going to adjust it to 20 minutes. And I already have the cube steak in the Instant Pot. Make sure your lid is on, and make sure that it is set to sealing. And we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, it's already done. It's cooked for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to do a 5-minute natural release and then do a quick release. And then I'll be back in just a minute to show you what the cube steaks look like. Okay, here they are, and as you can see, they turned out just wonderful. And look, you can just cut it with a fork and it falls apart. This is delicious. Thank you again. Please like and subscribe. And if there's something that you'd like to see me cook in the Instant Pot, just put some comments below. And thanks, and God bless.